And welcome to Dave's Cooking Show once again. Today for you we have a pesto chicken pizza. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is spread a layer of ricotta cheese on our pizza dough. The pizza dough, just bought it from my local grocery store. If you don't want to make you can certainly make your own pizza dough, but if you don't want to, pizza places usually sell it. A lot of grocery stores sell them ready to go. And if you really want to slum it, there is that canned dough. But usually a grocery store, the deli will usually have pizza dough. Or like I said, just call a local pizza place. You can usually buy some for little or nothing. Alright, and here's my chicken that's covered in pesto sauce. And then we have some bacon that we're going to add to this, because bacon makes everything better. And now some shredded mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to pop this into a 450 degree oven for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes or so, should be looking at something a little bit like this. And yeah, that's it. Pesto chicken pizza. Done.